Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up 2FA on crypto.com. So this one is not complicated at all. All you need to do when we are on the home screen here is go to the top left of the screen and you'll see those three little lines and that'll open the sidebar. You want to scroll all the way down till you get to settings. And then in settings, you want to go to security and then you'll see 2FA. And now all you want to do is click on that little slider to activate 2FA. Okay, so they'll ask what passkey you want to use. Your passkey is linked to your device, so I'm going to use the one linked to my device. Okay, so now you'll be brought to this screen here, and basically all it's saying is you can scan the QR code, but obviously we're going to just copy the code at the bottom of the screen, and we won't proceed yet because now we need to go to Google Authenticator. Now here we need to give it a code name for our code. So you can just say crypto.com or whatever you want to set it. And then you want to paste the key right here in the section. And I usually leave mine on time-based. And then you just need to press add. Okay, so now that you've added your code to Google Authenticator, you need to see what the code is, and keep in mind it's time-based, so it's going to keep changing. So you have a very limited time to put it in. So make sure to press proceed and it'll ask you for that code on the next screen. You want to enter that code and continue. And once you've done that, you are done. You have set up 2FA on your crypto.com. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and I will see you in the next video.